Hey there, here's something you might not have known. Plants are awesome. That's right, plants are awesome. They can transform and adapt in so many different cool ways. They have so many different shapes and size and colors and patterns. Not only that, but they can produce food. They have bright colors. They even have an acid in which they can eat other animals in. They're kind of like nature's superheroes. And that is exactly where our idea sprouted from. Introducing power plants. So, if plants really are like nature's superheroes, they need to have some super origin. Spider-Man was bitten by a radioactive spider. The Hulk was exposed to gamma rays, which turned him into the Hulk. And Batman's just super rich. So what if the thing that turned our plants into superheroes was an electric shock? That's an interesting idea. For this experiment, we used a few things. We used alligator clips, nails, which acted as a conductor, a 1.2 volt battery, a 3 volt battery, a 6 volt battery, some seeds, 4 identical cups, which we potted the plants in, a voltmeter, electrical tape and a ruler, and finally some potting soil. We had 4 plants, plant A named Molly, plant B named Fred, plant C named Matilda, and plant D named Patrick. First of all, we attached the batteries to the alligator clips, which we then attached to the voltmeter to make sure the batteries were actually producing an electrical current. Then we attached the alligator clips to the batteries and then to the plant. We had a 6 volt battery, a 3 volt battery, and a 1.2 volt battery. At first, we couldn't really see much in the way of growth, but before long, we had a 22 centimeter plant from the 3 volt shock. You can clearly see here an increase in growth from the 3 volt and the 6 volt plant. A 50% increase in growth from the 3 volt and a 10% increase from the 6 volt. Although it is hard to come to solid conclusions with the natural variation of plants come into play. For example, we planted 2 seeds in all the pots, and the really tall plant that was 22 centimeters from the 3 volt had a sister that was not nearly as tall. When I regularly electrocuted the plants, they would grow on average about 4 centimeters each night. However, when I stopped regularly electrocuting the plants, I noticed that they didn't grow nearly as much. Either way you look at it, the debate whether electricity stimulates plant growth is still up for grabs. And although it doesn't look like you're going to be saved by a crime-fighting, electricity-wielding super plant anytime soon, we can all agree on one thing. Plants are sure super.